Alright, robot, here's the situation. You can tell what happened on this. At some point, the hydraulic system in this convertible top sprung a leak. And got all sorts of transmission fluid drool on this nice leather seat. And what the dumbass did was actually installed some of this aftermarket cheap-ass seat and just put it over the top of it rather than fixing it. Which is kind of a redneck thing to do, I have to say. But I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is try to rescue this thing in the best way that I can, using advice given me by ChatGPT. I'm going to try to scrub this down and heal it and make it better. I think it's better, generally, to stick with the original stuff in here if I could possibly manage it. Just because it was there for a reason. Anyway, we're going to try to attack this now with some dishwashing liquid. Oh yeah, another thing. Extracting these seats isn't the easiest thing either. This thing here is busted up. That one there's okay. But I've ordered a couple of these off of eBay to try to replace them. We're going to pop these seats out. Put them out here in the driveway. Because the light's better out here. Back seat, by the way, there are 2 bolts there and there. Or rather, yeah, nuts and bolts. I've just got them hand tight for the time being. Ultimately, what's going to happen is I'll clean this stuff all out here. Here they are. They're not beyond help. These things aren't ripped. That one there's not bad at all. I think I should be able to get it clean. If I can do that, it'll save me an abundance of money and time. Here it is. Removes grease on contact. We'll see in a minute, won't we? As you can see, that helped a lot. It didn't completely take care of it. We're going to try to put on this baking soda. Just because it's supposed to be hydrophilic and draw out any, well, maybe it's greasophilic. Draw out any of the grease here. Leave that on there for a little while and see what happens. This one here is fine. I'm not going to have a problem with that. That one there is very good. Still not perfect, but that's fine too. We've got some leather treatment stuff that might work.